Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best iPad holder for cars on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Macally 2-in-1 cup holder mount for tablet and smartphone. Let's get one thing clear, your author dearly enjoys cup holder mounted car accessories. In a market where there are many more places for drinks than passengers, it only makes sense to make the best use out of available space. This product is available with 2 different lengths of gooseneck, 8 and 12 inches. Pro tip, go for the bigger one for greater range of motion. Designed to effectively be inserted into a standard cup holder, it makes a great backseat companion and keeps front seat users hands-free and legal, think Uber or delivery drivers. It goes without saying that drivers need to keep their eyes on the road and not on their tablet. That gooseneck actually goes screwed into the cup holder insert, so it should not wobble like a drunken college student. Pros: great cup holder design, long gooseneck arm. Cons: passers-by might think ET has taken residence in your car. Number 2. Our second best pick is TFY Car Headrest Mount for tablets. This one touts itself as a universal mount, 2 words which generally mean the product ends up being anything but. In this case, however, the phrase seems to hold water. Its mounting system essentially wraps around a headrest with no protruding parts, meaning kiddos can vacate the car with tablet in hand and not leave a plastic extended arm behind. Its seller says this unit works with or without a case on the tablet, citing brands such as the popular OtterBox as playing well with its clamping system. Customers report the Velcro straps used for mounting the thing onto a headrest is quite grippy and strong, lessening the chance of the tablet coming loose and bopping someone on the nose. Pros: no protruding parts, strong Velcro fasteners. Cons: may interferes with front seat headrest comfort. Number 3. Our third best pick is Arkon Tablet Mount, seat rail or floor base. We told you this list would have ideas for people tasked with delivery duties. With just about every transportation company deploying a digital system for route instructions, a hefty aftermarket tablet holder is an essential tool. This unit can be mounted onto a seat rail or directly onto the floor, so tools are definitely required for its installation. Great for fleets, this mount has a 22-inch flexible gooseneck which should give plenty of articulation in the truck cab for easy viewing of the tablet screen. The slim clamping system is said to accept tablets up to a yawning 18 inches in size. Your author's childhood Zenith television wasn't that big. The support legs are apparently customizable and adjustable for many different applications. Pros: useful fleet tool, accepts enormous tablet screens. Cons: tougher to install than others on this list. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Oser Car Seat Protector with Tablet Holder. More than a simple tablet holder, this product serves up an entire seat back full of storage places and organization tools. Mesh bags on both sides store drinks, while a zipped bottom pocket stands ready to accept whatever detritus the younguns have brought back from the beach. Since this post is about tablet holders, it is worth noting that this backseat organizer is built with a clear pocket designed to accept devices up to 10 inches in length. A handy flap is said to be provided for threading headphones and charging wires. A strangely specific note states it will not fit a 2010 Yukon XL, despite that model sharing seats with a lot of other machines in the GM lineup. Make sure this thing doesn't interfere with your car's side airbags. Pros: more than a tablet holder, waterproof lower panel. Cons: users will need to determine proper and safe fitment. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Apps 2 Car Tablet Holder, CD Player Mount. You've completely switched to digital music now, right? Many, but not all, drivers have felt physical media back in the 90s and 2000s, leaving the CD player slot as a useless hole in the dashboard. The folks at this company now think they have a use for that place, as a mount for tablet holders. It's a bit of ingenuity, to be sure, and the reviews aren't bad. The screw lock base design is intended to grip the tablet securely, while a flat plastic blade uses the CD player slot for a mounting place. In fact, one can still apparently play CDs while this thing is in use, since the lip doesn't stick into the player far enough to interfere with music playback. Pros: unique, easy installation. Cons: how much does this thing bounce around? So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.